Hey, good morning. It is the 28th of June, Wednesday morning at half 8 or something. 9 o'clock. Fucking hell. It's supposed to be an early start. I've been up since fucking half 6. How is it 9 o'clock? So, our plan today is we're going to try and considering trying to go straight for Valencia today and skip Alicante. I'm not sure. Fuck off, like. I think we're all good to go. Oh, we're not good to go. I forgot to do the preload. So when I have all the luggage, I just max it. And then when I'm riding without the luggage, I drop it down to about 6. I think it's supposed to get up to 34 degrees again today. It was like 38 yesterday when I went into Cartagena and then went up to Murcia. So that place back there was Una Hacienda Golf and Spa Resort. It's in Alamo de Fuento, which is kind of halfway between Murcia and Cartagena, just a bit to the west. It's a nice place. Hacienda del Alamo. I dropped into that place actually as well to see if they've closed just the repair shop. Oh shit! I just remembered I forgot to take my paracord that I was using for a clothesline. Fuck. I was literally just thinking about the terrace and how that was nice because I could hang stuff up, and then remembered that I forgot to take it down. I actually gave the bike a bit of a clean there as well the other day and power washed it. I only had 150 to put into the machine, so it was a 220 second dash. Oh yeah, so the plan today, there's no TED today. There's no TED tomorrow as well if I don't complete all the way to Valencia. It's all just road, coastal road basically. Bit of sightseeing along the way, that sort of shit. So we're just coming into Cartagena now. He knows what's good. Suppose I'm going to be dealing with some rush hour city traffic. Where is she looking? She's not looking at me anyway. I got a clean run of the lights like this yesterday as well. Fucking fabulous. Not going to be able to filter very well. I won't fit up there. Look at the submarine. It looks like a smaller scale of the one that's in the museum I went to yesterday. It looks very similar. That's way bigger than I thought. That's fucking cool. And then you have another one over the opposite side as well. wild forward for the next 6 kilometers. I think there's a fucking dead boar in front of me, to be honest. Nice road. Tarmac seems reasonably good condition too. Alicante traffic jam. I don't know if I can get away with going up the right side. I feel like filtering left, to be honest. I feel like I should probably just take the easy option and go up the right side. I am sweating like a motherfucker. Big time sweats going on here. The sweat is dripping down my face. I didn't even have it that bad in Morocco. I think I'm gonna try for Valencia. I reckon I can get there in about 5 hours. 6 worst case. Well, probably 7 worst case. So that will have us in about 8 o'clock. That's an hour and a half of brightness still. That is quite pink looking. don't think so. Are you fucking retarded? But this is Benidorm. Fuck that shit. What a weapon. Is there a Mackey's? Oh, there's a McDonald's there. Do I want to get a McDonald's? Maybe. There's a Burger King as well, though. I can fucking park there. Yeah. That Burger King was shit. So we are 70 kilometers from Valencia, uno hour away, and we're passing through the town of... I can't remember. Can I put the legs up here? Nah, not really. Oh, that's not what I expected him to do. Nice river. Look at this. I suppose I could have stopped there actually. What a fucking whip. "25 minutes past 6. I found somewhere to stay. Now, it is about half hour north of Valencia, 57 a night or something like that. Car parking seems to be shared with a supermarket, which is right beside the place. Seems like an okay place. Probably won't be too bad. A spot to park the bike. We're 2 kilometers away, so we're pretty close now. It's just gone 1 minute past 7. So there's Burger King and Lidl's, and I think my hotel's just on the... I can see it actually. It's just the far side of this. This is my hotel just here on the right. So I need to try and work out where I'm gonna park in this place. No fucking way.